With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question is, a pendulum with bob of mass is oscillating on either sides from its resting position A between the extremum B and C, vertical heights above A. What is the kinetic energy K and potential energy U when the pendulum is on position A, B and C? So, when the pendulum is at position of A, then the pendulum has maximum kinetic energy. Pendulum has maximum kinetic energy and its potential energy is 0. Its potential energy is 0. At its resting position. Hence, kinetic energy K is equal to mgh and potential energy U will be 0. B part, when the pendulum at a point B, then the kinetic energy decreases and potential energy increases. So kinetic energy decreases and potential energy increases. So kinetic energy will become 0 and potential energy will become mgh. Now C part, when the pendulum at a point C, so the kinetic energy will become 0 and the potential energy U will become mgh. So this is the answers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.